Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It is Wednesday. It's the 15th of April. Let's get to that weather wisdom for today. So, not much in the way of precipitation here. We do have some showers which crossed the area last night, but for today, there might be a little shower here this afternoon or evening. Again, mostly to the north. I think the Cape and the Islands mostly stays dry. Another chance for showers here Friday afternoon and Friday evening. And then we could see a few more showers coming in here sometime later Sunday, but they should be out of here for Monday for the marathon. Now, temperatures really all over the place. Yesterday, Boston, for example, went into the 70s, then down to 61, and then back up into the mid to upper 70s as the winds just kind of flipped around. So, what do we have for today? Well, temperatures today should get into the 70s to lower 80s, most of the lower 80s in the 128, 495 belt. It remains in the 60s for Cape Ann, Cape Cod. You could stay in the 50s today. And some of that cool air will try to push inland here this evening, but I do think most of us are in the 60s right through 7 or 8 o'clock. Not much in the way of cool air. Then we get to tomorrow. Looks like it does warm up once again, turning cooler at the coastline, depending on the exact direction of the wind. Then we go to Friday, and then the sea breeze looks like it penetrates a little bit further inland, and that should be the end of the real warm stuff. We may see back to the 70s on Sunday before the front comes through with those showers, and that's going to be quite cool next week. Temperatures at or a little bit below average as we head for school vacation week next week. Have a great day, everybody.